Welcome to this English lesson, and this video is for international English learners. This lesson is for beginners and intermediate students. So if you want to improve your English, stay here, because today we will change your mindset about English. First, English is not difficult. In fact, English is a skill, and every skill needs practice. Therefore, you can learn step by step, and you do not need perfect grammar first. Instead, you need daily practice, because small steps create big success. For example, listen to English every day and speak even if you make mistakes, because mistakes help you learn faster. So do not fear mistakes, since fear stops progress, while confidence builds progress. To begin, start with simple sentences and repeat them many times, because your brain learns by repetition. In the same way, learning English is like training muscles. Practice makes you stronger. Even 10 minutes daily is powerful, whereas 1 hour once a week is weak. So consistency is the secret. Of course, motivation starts the journey, but discipline continues the journey. Therefore, do not wait for the perfect time. Start today and start now. Next, use English in your daily life. For instance, name objects around you in English. Speak to yourself in English. Describe your day in English. Also, think in simple English words, because thinking in English changes everything. Translation slows you down. However, direct understanding speeds you up. After that, learn useful words first, and learn daily conversation phrases, workplace sentences, and travel sentences. Above all, focus on real communication, because communication is the goal, while perfection is not the goal. Remember, native speakers make mistakes too, and fluency comes from usage. Moreover, reading builds vocabulary. Listening builds understanding. Speaking builds confidence. Writing builds accuracy. So, combine all 4 skills. You can also watch simple English videos. Listen to slow English audio. Then pause and repeat sentences, and copy pronunciation carefully. In addition, train your ear daily. Train your mouth daily. At first, your progress will appear slowly. However, slow progress is still progress. So never quit early, because many students quit too soon, while success belongs to patient learners. For this reason, make English part of your routine. Study at the same time daily, in order to build a learning habit. Habits remove excuses, whereas excuses kill dreams. Clearly, your future needs English. Jobs need English. Travel needs English. The internet uses English. Education uses English. Opportunities speak English. Simply put, English opens doors. English connects cultures. English connects people. English connects business. Now, imagine speaking confidently. Imagine understanding movies. Imagine traveling easily. Imagine working internationally. This is possible for you because thousands learned before you, and therefore you can learn too. Importantly, age is not the problem. Time is not the problem. Instead, strategy is the key. So use simple learning methods. Focus on high-frequency words. Practice common conversations. Shadow native audio. Repeat full sentences. At the same time, avoid memorizing long word lists. Instead, learn words inside sentences, because context helps memory, emotion helps memory, and fun helps memory. So make learning enjoyable. Use topics you love. Talk about your hobbies. Talk about your work. Talk about your dreams, since personal topics stick longer. Another good step is to record your voice speaking. Listen to your pronunciation. Then improve one sound daily, because small fixes build big clarity. Also, do not compare yourself to others. Rather, compare yourself to yesterday, because progress is personal. Celebrate small wins. One new sentence is a win. One new word is a win. One conversation is a big win. Therefore, reward your effort. Most importantly, stay positive, because positive thinking improves learning, while negative thinking blocks learning. Replace I cannot with I try. Replace too hard with step by step. Replace later with now. In this way, build a growth mindset, because a growth mindset creates persistence. Persistence creates mastery. Mastery creates confidence. Confidence creates fluency. Fluency creates freedom. Freedom changes your life. Furthermore, speak with classmates online. Join English communities. Comment in English. Ask questions in English. Use English socially, because real use accelerates learning. Remember, passive watching is not enough. Instead, active speaking is necessary. So say sentences aloud. Train your tongue. Train your brain patterns. Patterns build automatic speech. Automatic speech builds fluency. Fluency builds natural speed. Natural speed builds confidence. At the beginning, keep sentences short. Then expand slowly. Add adjectives later. Add details later. In other words, build like a child learns. Because children learn by repetition and learn without fear. So learn the same way. Meanwhile, be patient with yourself. Be kind to yourself, because learning takes time. Strong skills need months. Real fluency needs practice. Practice beats talent. Daily effort beats intelligence. Showing up beats planning. Action beats intention. Speaking beats thinking. Doing beats waiting. So start with one lesson daily. One conversation daily. One video daily. Keep the chain unbroken. One missed day is okay. However, 2 missed days is danger. So return quickly and stay consistent. Finally, believe in your ability, because your brain can learn languages, and millions proved it. You are not different. Your success is possible. Your journey starts today. Your mindset changes today. From now on, English becomes your tool, your bridge, your opportunity. So continue learning with every video. Repeat this lesson tomorrow. Repeat the sentences aloud. Save this video for practice. Share it with other learners. Build your English environment. Fill your day with English sound. Replace some native content with English. Slowly increase difficulty. Above all, trust the learning process. Trust your daily effort. Trust your future fluency. You are improving right now. Keep moving forward. Never stop learning. Your English journey continues. Your new mindset is strong. Therefore, start speaking English today.